Go.
Today we are going to do the first practical of the subject Digital Techniques, which is test the functionality of logic gates. Before testing the gates, we should first take a look at all the ICs we will need for this practical. Let's start with the 7404 IC. It is a 14-pin IC which has 6 NOT gates inbuilt into it, like this. The next IC is the 7408 IC, which is also a 14-pin IC and has 4 AND gates inbuilt into it. And it is something like this. The next IC is the 7408 IC, which is also a 14-pin IC and has 4 AND gates built into it. The next IC is the 7432 IC, which is also a 14-pin IC and has 4 OR gates built into it. Now to test these ICs, we need to know their pinouts. So now to start, we will test the IC 7404, which has a pinout like this. The VCC pin is pin number 14 and the ground pin is pin number 7. These logic ICs can only bear up to 5 volts input. After seeing the pinouts, we will connect the pin number 14 to the upper rail of the breadboard, and we will connect the pin number 7 to the lower rail of the breadboard. Now for power, we will need these 5 volt and ground pins of our trainer kit, and we will connect them to the power rail of the breadboard and the ground rail of the breadboard respectively.
1, 2, go.
Now if we power on this trainer kit, we can see this LED here indicates that plus 5 volts is being supplied to this circuit of our.
1, 2, 3, go.
Now to test these ICs, we have to connect a switch on pin number 1 and an LED on the pin number 2 of this IC. Now as we can see, we have given 1 over here and we receive 0 on the output. So that's how NOT gates work. So if we give 0 on the input, we receive an 1 on the output. So the testing of the first IC is complete. Now we will do the testing of 7408 IC, which has a pinout like this. The power pins are exactly the same, but the logic gate pins are quite different. So to test these AND gates, we will connect pin number 1 and 2 to 2 input pins and pin number 3 to output LED. So as you can see, we have done that here. Now we are giving both the inputs as 0. Even if we give one input as 1, nothing will happen, and if we give both inputs as 1, we will get an output. That is how AND gates work according to this truth table right here. So the testing of the second IC is also complete.
1, 2, go.
Now we will test the third IC, which is the 7432 IC, which has a pinout like this. It is an OR gate IC which also has the same power connections. Also, it also has the same logic gate connections, which is quite similar. So we will again connect the input switches to pin number 1 and 2 and connect the pin number 3 to output LED, which we have done here. Now if we notice, even if we keep one pin high, we can see the output LED close up, and if we keep both the pins high, it also glows. This is exactly how OR gates work according to the truth table. So after testing the third IC, the practical is complete.